friends, I'm Montgomery Kinard from the Academy for Virtual Teaching, where we take people who make things and help them teach people to make things virtually. Today we're going to do some quick equipment reviews. One of the most important things when you are creating and teaching virtually is lighting. You need to be able to light what you're making clearly without any harsh shadows in order to effectively teach through a screen. Let's look at my favorite light. This is the Reliant video light, number 192. It's got 19.5 watts of power, 650 lux illumination. Color temperature varies. It can go cold or warm, between 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. One of the things I like the most about it is it's small, it doesn't take up much space. You can see that it has a threaded mount so that you can put it on top of any equipment that you already have. If you have a camera, tripod, or any clip mounts, as long as you can thread it in, it will hold it. One of my other favorite things is that it has a built-in battery. You can, if you'd like, plug it in and not use up your battery. But if you're unable to have your lighting right where you have a plug or have access, the battery's built in, it's rechargeable. In my experience, it lasts a good couple hours, which is really nice. Easy on-off switch. Ready? Whoa! Bright lights. It's got wonderful color temperature, got really yellow lighting, really bright crisp lighting, and my favorite is that it's dimmable. You can bring it down to almost nothing, all the way up to hurt your eyes bright, depending on your situation. In my filming area, I have two LED light panels. One just hooks straight to a bookshelf that I have, and the other is on the same tripod mount that I use for my cameras. One of the important things is that it has a diffuser. If you have naked bulbs shining on your work, it's going to be harsh, it's going to cause shadows, but this has a translucent plastic cover on it so that the light you get is nice and soft. So there you have it, the Reliant LED light.